In this version of the Psych Minute, what I'd like to talk about is crazy. What does crazy mean? Well, in fact, it really doesn't mean anything. In psychology, crazy has no definition at all because it's not an appropriate word. Insane is a legal word. So what I want to talk about just for a little bit is psychology and the law. The McNaughton rule, if I remember correctly, is you do not know the difference between right and wrong. That when you were committing whatever act it was, you didn't realize what you were doing is wrong. The Durham rule says that you have something wrong with you. There's something wrong with your brain that makes you impulsive. That is, there's no way that you could stop yourself from doing whatever it was that you were doing, probably a violent act. That is sometimes, if I remember correctly, called the mental defect rule. There's also a later one that implies if you could not perceive the ramifications of your act, that is, you didn't realize that what you were doing was going to lead to something else, that is also legal bound for insanity. The problem is that the insanity rule is actually very difficult to prove. How can you prove that someone was not really conscious of what they were doing, or they really didn't understand right from wrong? Especially many times what do you find with a defendant is someone who has done something and then run away, or they've done something and then they have tried to cover up whatever it is they were doing. So anyway, that's the Psych Minute. Thank you.